CNC machine operator. Hands-on, job-ready, nationally recognized certification. We need manufacturing, and manufacturing needs CNC machine operators. CNC machine operator jobs frequently go unfilled because finding employees with the skills needed is very difficult. With a workforce of over 500,000 requiring these types of skills, U.S. manufacturing is finding a challenge to keep pace with this need. High-quality, dependable training should be based on standards that support product consistency. Until now, this has simply not been available. Training for current employees and new ones, especially as retirement rates increase, is critical. NIMS, the National Institute for Metalworking Skills, is answering this need. In addition to establishing national standards and 2 certifications for CNC machine operators, they have partnered with Amatrol to offer the training needed for the highly skilled job of CNC machine operator. Amatrol's CNC machine operator program was developed in partnership with a large global manufacturer and is designed specifically for CNC machine operators. Engage Amatrol's unique interactive virtual simulators to develop and practice the skills required for a CNC machine operator, such as performing precision part measuring and gauging, setting up tooling and fixtures, interfacing with a CNC machine, responding to tooling decisions, and operating a CNC machine all from your computer. Amatrol's CNC machine operator program teaches students to do the job and prepares them for both the NIMS CNC machine operator certifications, one for the CNC mill and one for the CNC lathe. NIMS strongly recommends Amatrol's CNC machine operator program as preparation for both certifications. The program teaches 130+ skills via 24 computer-based units that represent 80+ hours of training. In addition to the interactive simulators, rich multimedia guides the learner through the entire array of skill topics required for CNC machine operators. Skill topics range from print reading to solving common problems experienced by CNC machine operators. Students learn how to optimize uptime while maintaining product quality. Amatrol's CNC machine operator program is packed with interactive exercises, vibrant 3D animations, extensive video, and engaging graphics. Text and narration of comprehensive explanations make learning a snap. The NIMS certification requires not only an exam, but also a demonstration of actual skills. To prepare for this, Amatrol includes an instructor assessment guide, as well as an on-the-job training guide that allows the student to practice for the certification skill demonstration. For additional classroom practice, Amatrol offers a metrology learning system to allow students to reinforce their hands-on skills in measurement. To make training and certification broadly available, the CNC Machine Operator program is available for classroom installation or for delivery via the Internet. Program packages also include certification starter packages, making achieving a NIMS certification an easy process. Amatrol offers software for tracking training results as well. The optional Skill Ace is a total classroom solution. For those using web delivery, Amatrol's e-learning management system also provides skill tracking. Manufacturing needs CNC machine operators, and we can help. Please visit Amatrol at www.amatrol.com.